Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Georgia sales tax account. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Georgia sales tax login. And as the search result, you can see the first option. Click on the first link, Georgia Tax Center. It will take you to the login portal of Georgia Tax Center. And over here, enter the username of your account. And in the password section, enter the password. To confirm your password, you can click here on this eye icon. After that, click on login button. You will be logged into your Georgia tax account. And in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, you can recover it by clicking here forgot password or username. And if you want to create an account on Georgia Tax Center, you can click here sign up to create a new account. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.